Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to a brand new video of Im here. Today I'll tell you how to get a professional certificate from a reputable university worldwide on Coursera for free. Check it out. Alrighty, before I start this video, I want to mention an inspiring story, man. A 96-year-old woman actually entered high school in Mexico, and that proves that it is never too late to learn something new. Alright, moving on to the main topic of this video, and that is how to get a free course on Coursera. Let's go to Coursera.com. Okay. Okay, let's say I want to learn um, Excel for business. Okay, what other programs they have in Excel? Perfect, yeah, we have this one, Excel skills for business, and it is a specialization. So what is really a specialization? It is a group of courses combined by a program. So you can see that in this specialization there are 4 courses, right? Essentials, intermediate to advanced, yeah, instructors, and they're all from this business school, which is highly reputed in Australia, Macquarie University. Okay, let's say I want to enroll for this course, but then if I want to enroll right away, I would have to pay. Here it says enroll for free, but then if you start here, they'll give you like a 7-day free trial, and then after that, if you want to learn, you have to pay for the course. But if you don't have the financial capability to pay for this course, I would suggest go for this option, financially available. Click on that, and you have to log in here. Yep, and that's it, we are logged in. And now you just have to click on, yeah, okay, as I mentioned here earlier, you can start for free here, but then after your 7 day you have to pay for this course, or you won't be able to continue. Instead, I would suggest to go with this option, financially available. And then yes, we know that it takes at least, not really 15 days, I would say between 10 to 15 days, and then hopefully you'll get your application approved. Okay, continue. All right, okay, here yeah, just read all these things. We ask every applicant, yes, we only share accurate information, yes, okay, and just type it, agree to the terms above, good to go, yes, continue. Okay, here background. Okay, if you are a student in a school, I would say high school, or if you're a student in a college, some college. Annual income 0 as you're a student. Status, I am a student. Okay, how much can I pay? Really, we can't afford to pay nothing, so 0. And then why? Okay, here you have to mention why you are applying for this financial aid. Mention about your uh, financial situation, and your current achievements, and simply why you are worthy. Oh my god, my typing skills, man. Okay, of this scholarship. Okay, yeah. Okay, in this make sure it doesn't like really go long, but yeah, it should be at least 150 words. Okay, and then in this question you have to mention how will taking this course help you achieve your career goals. I will say mention or state about your uh, current achievements, and your career goals, ambitions in life, where you want to be, uh, let's say in 5 years time or in the future. And then also help, also mention how this course can help you reach your or achieve your career goals. Make sure it doesn't go too long, but make sure it goes above 150 words. Okay, here I'm not really giving you a proper format, but then I leave a link in the description if you want to see a proper example, and if you want to be inspired, and then I think it can help you. All right, moving ahead. No interest, sorry. Yeah, I don't have financial capacity. uh, that should be fine. Not a robot, of course I'm not. And then submit your application. All right, here I'm not submitting because I don't want to really learn this course, and I didn't fill this properly. Yeah, so make sure you are really interested before submitting this application, and then you think you can complete this course in your own time, inshallah. Alhamdulillah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Please share this important video with your friends and family. Until next time, assalamu alaikum.